Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We will demonstrate here, guys, on a 2016 Ford F150 that we have here at the garage. But even if you have a different year, the video may be helpful. You have two different fuse boxes on your F150, but we'll need to work on the fuse box that's located right under the hood, guys. When you open the hood, you can see that's the radiator overflow tank. And if you come towards your car battery, right behind it you have a fuse box right here. That fuse box, you open that cover, and once you guys open the cover, you're going to see a fuse layout just like that. This on the front will be your car battery. This is towards the windshield side. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see, guys, you have different kinds of relays, fuses. Those could be really hard to find, they could be expensive. If you're stuck in the middle of nowhere or a small town, you may have a hard time finding them. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from. We'll recommend, guys, get some for a peace of mind, put in your glove box so you won't be stuck in the middle of nowhere. The mirror fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 63. If you come in that fuse panel right here, right above the relays, that fuse on the right side, that 15 amp fuse, that's the one that you will need to check specifically for your side door. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.